Hi guys, I am Orion and I'm one of those students who experienced that kind of breakdown before. So, during that time, I remember that I was just crying and it came to the point that I don't want to study anymore. I was just lying on my bed knowing that I have so many tasks to do. But then I've decided to talk to God. I cried to Him my pain and I even asked guidance. I remember this line that I asked to Him. I said, Lord, paano po maging motivated ulit? Then the next thing I remembered is I fell asleep because of crying. Then the next morning, I've seen my old house sketches, and I suddenly felt motivated. I smiled and I thanked God. He made me realize that I have so many reasons not to give up. And one of them is my dream of being an architect. He gave me strength to continue, and I've realized that it's okay not to be okay. It's okay to cry. Talk to God about your pain. And for me, the best thing to fight breaking down is to trust in Him, because He knows what's best for you.
Gawin mo yung mga bagay na magiging masaya ka. Maglaro ka ng online games, maglaro ka ng basketball, volleyball, kahit dyan lang sa backyard or front yard nyo. Kahit yung mga kapatid mo lang yung kalaro mo o yung mga pinsan mo. O kaya yung aso mo o pusa. Pwede mo silang laruin. Manood ka ng movies. Makinig ka ng songs, especially worship songs. Sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam kapag nakikinig ka ng worship songs. Higit sa lahat, magdasal ka. Kasi, andyan si Lord. Hindi lang naman yung sarili mo yung dapat mong kausapin eh. Nandyan siya. Huwag mong sarilinin. May mga kaibigan ka. Handa naman silang makinig. Kaya iwasan mo na yung pag-overthink mo. Iwasan mo na yung anxiety and stress. Gawin mo yung mga bagay na magiging masaya ka. Oo, mahirap. Sobrang hirap. Dahil pandemic ngayon, hindi ka makapunta sa mall, hindi ka makapunta sa court, hindi ka makapag-bike, wala kang quarantine pass, walang school. Kung yung school yung escape mo dahil may problema ka dyan sa bahay, siguro oras na para makipagbati ka sa kailangan mo makipagbati.
Best for you. And let me share you guys my favorite Bible verse, which is Matthew chapter 5 verse 14, and it says that cast all your anxiety on Him because He cares for you. God cares for all of us. Always remember that.
Nawala na rin ako sa landas. Landas papunta kay Lord dahil sa pandemic. Pero, nag-hold on ako dun sa kantang to. Talagang nakatulong siya. Kada may problema ko, piniplay ko siya. Kasi biniblame ko si Lord. Yung lyrics niya, show me again how to love you. Teach me to just trust in you. Lord, let your grace fill my heart. And forever my life be a part. Yung title niya, In Your Arms, stream niya, nasa Spotify siya, nasa YouTube siya. Sobrang ganda ng kanta. Sana makatulong kahit konti lang. Thank you.